Engaged buying groups lead to higher pipeline quality and better sales conversations. I'll show you how Adobe Journey Optimizer B2B Edition can give you full visibility into buyers' touchpoints, create marketing qualified buying groups, and enrich your sales pipeline with AI-powered insights. Follow along as I show you the buyer group journey for a company called Bodea. A buying group is made up of people in an organization from departments like finance, operations, or IT who influence or make purchasing decisions. In Journey Optimizer B2B Edition, you have the flexibility to engage buyers as part of their larger buying groups or individually based on buying group role. This allows you to automate highly personalized multi-step journeys at scale. As members interact with content, their buying group engagement score changes. Once all group members reach a predefined qualification score, say 80, they turn into a marketing qualified buying group, and now they're ready for sales outreach. You can evaluate a buying group with built-in analytics and dashboards. Here you can see which channels individuals engage with the most and what content is best received. If you look at a specific journey and see low engagement or a poorly performing asset, you can refine that content to boost interaction. Engagement scores update in real time, so you know which journeys and channels are underperforming and can take action to improve scores. Because AJO works seamlessly with Marketo Engage, nurturing individual buying group members becomes easier. With Journey Performance Dashboards, we can analyze the results of B2B journeys and quickly evaluate performances at account and individual levels. Let's take a look. Summary metrics such as average engagement and journey duration help you identify underperforming journeys so you can respond and optimize your channels quickly. You can drill down deeper to view flow insights and see high and low engagement points. These help you understand how effective specific activities are on accounts or buying group roles, so you can discover new engagement opportunities. Adobe Journey Optimizer B2B Edition gives you the insights you need to engage the groups most likely to convert. These insights lead to a deeper understanding of your buying group members' unique behaviors and roles. From there, you can shape your strategy and craft tailored buying group journeys that boost marketing qualified buying groups.